everybody. Science is everywhere, making dynamic changes in art and design known as perspective. But where is perspective? Well, it is a scientific and mathematical methods in art and design. We found in architecture, film, photography, eventually present all field of art. Mainly, a perspective having two sections. One is linear and another one is aerial perspective. Now then, I'll focus on one-point perspective, linear perspective. Linear perspective having one point, vanishing point. So let's go for the practical. Thank you. One-point perspective. Look at here. As an example, I will show you how to find out the vanishing point and the horizontal line. See the middle, that is called the vanishing point. That means all line will meet in the one point. Here another example. Look at this. This is the horizontal line. It has another name, eye level also. Vanishing point at the middle. This is actually a cityscape. Horizontal line. Yeah. Come down. This is actually interior. Look, we will find out the vanishing point and the horizontal line as well as eye level. See, I'm drawing the line. Okay, finding the perfect point, vanishing point. So slightly up. Yeah. So we found the vanishing point and the horizontal line. Now check, is it correct or not? So I will draw some line. I will continue some line to check whether it is correct or wrong. Yeah, all the lines are in correct position, so it's correct. So next, just another example. See this one, the horizontal line, vanishing point. I think you understood. This is the horizontal line. Now I will show you how to build up a one-point perspective. So my subject is here, the box. I'm trying to find out the vanishing point. Look at this, where the two line meeting point, actually the vanishing point, as well as the BP. So this is vanishing point. So now it's easy to find out the horizontal line. Yes, it is the horizontal line. Horizontal line must be on vanishing point. So it is one box. It's not transparent. But if it is transparent, how it will look like? Just see this one. So next, ground line, height, okay. So I will show you all the sides. I will give some colors to identify. Left side, right side, back side. Floor or ground, the top, and the front. So this is the box, the construction of the box, the construction of the drawing. So I hope you understood. So what is the basic things what we learned today? That is 1 point perspective, having a single vanishing point, in short BP. I hope you understood. So now let's go for the photograph. So photograph, see the right point, that is the vanishing point. Yeah, just prove it. So I will draw the line. So see, all the line is meeting the 1 point. So that is the vanishing point, and that is horizontal line in the middle. See this one, so you understood the horizontal line and the vanishing point. Okay, see you next time. I will show you, I'll talk about the 2 point perspective. This is another one. Thank you.